Hey folks, welcome back to another video. Today we're looking at question 1376, time needed to inform all employees. The way we'll be approaching this problem is by using DFS. So let's get started. The first thing that we need to do is we need to understand how many people are reporting to one particular person. So once we have that, we need to know what is the maximum amount of time it takes for a manager to inform all of their employees. So you need to take the max at each level and keep going up. So that's the entire, that's the meat of the entire solution. So let's do that. First, what we need to do is we need to initialize a list, and we will be using this list to store all of the employees under one particular manager. So let's do that first. For int I equals 0, I less than n. You increment I for every single one of them. Let's add a new array list. Right, and after that, we want to go through the entire list and add it to the number of people a particular manager has them reporting to. So if manager I excuse me, if manager phi is not equal to -1, then you would say E of manager of I dot add I. Perfect. So what this is doing is that it's taking care of adding all of the employees that would report to a particular manager. And right after this, you would have a DFS method. We will run that in a second. But the answer that you get from the DFS is what you're returning. So you need to pass in the list of all of the employees with, under each manager. And then you need to push the current head ID. And you need to push inform time. Perfect. So let's write the DFS method now. So the return type will be int. You'd have DFS. Let's bring this right here, and then you have int current. So that's the current manager that you're looking at, and then you have the inform time. Perfect. So the first thing you need is, let's just initialize a variable called result that will keep a track of everything. And then for the current employee under E of current, for every single one of the employees within the given manager, what you're going to do is you're going to you're going to call the method DFS recursively on all of those employees. So what you're going to do is you want to get the max of what we have currently, and by calling DFS on each of those, so it would be E and then C and then inform time. So what are we doing right here? We're calling DFS on every single employee recursively and getting the max at every single level, and we're storing it in the result. So every single time you are coming across a for loop, if there are employees under a particular manager, this method will be called recursively. And in the end, what you want to return is that you want to return the result, what you've seen so far, plus the inform time of the current manager as well. So inform time of current. Perfect. So this takes this is being called recursively, and you will be able to have the answer at the end of this particular method. Awesome. So let's compile this and see if it's okay. The first test case is okay. everything else is okay as well. Awesome. So let's talk about the space and the time complexity. The time complexity of the entire solution is of n, since we have to go through every single employee, and then the space complexity is also of n, since we are using additional data structures to store the information that we need. Perfect. So that's the solution for this problem. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe. I would really appreciate that. See you all in the next video. Peace.